Yo, can't top us, man.
Yeah.
Yo, we blew up an M8, and some guy was
I
like,
stuck
"Yo."
the wick in it.
Yeah, we're about to set off like a tiny one of those.
Yeah, that wick is real small, so back up.
Yo. Oh God. Yo.
Woo!
Oh, I thought that would be like the M8, but. Damn. Like, they still get me every time. We back. So what are those things?
These?
Yeah.
Little bottle rockets.
Oh.
Just like the big ones, just
Ah.
smaller. They go.
We got another Roman candle. Guys, I almost died from one. Well, I wouldn't die, but I would probably get hurt. Yo, oh.
They get some flight. Look.
Yo, that hurt you last time.
That was a big one, though. Ow.
Yo, where'd that even go? I might not even put that first part in. Oh, it just fell over there.
A little bit of snappy pappies.
Oh, guys, thank you for 100 views on my.
The classic firecrackers here. They'll never go out of style.
Yo, why so close? Yeah, those neighbors up there think they can top us, but no, they can't. We have a few more enemies, I think. Is that a big one?
Yeah. That's awesome.
Yeah. Yeah, but last time we were doing it, we like flew them in their yards. Yo, this kid is crazy.
Just kidding.
Yo. Oh, I thought that was that. I thought it was. Yeah, we should do one in your butt crack.
No. Stick it in your butthole.
Yo, there.
Okay. Roman candle time.
Yeah, a spark hit me and it really hurt last time, and then I dropped it, and then a shot went at my foot, didn't hit me,
Oh.
and then I think is it on the other side? Is that? No way, that one's already lit. Yeah, it's the last, and then his turn back, and
There's no wick.
Can we just burn it?
Wow, looks like it was blown already.
Yo, how would it be blown though? Was it?
I think so. Wow.
It
That
was,
sucked.
too. Well, here are a few more of the big ones. Bro, why wasn't, oh, it wasn't focused for a second. I'm getting my new camera in like maybe a week or two because the work's not, huh? Double whammy.
Oh. Whoa, watch out!
Oh, shit!
That was awesome. These wicks are small.
Yo, we should set off like two of the little ones at the same time. There it goes. Damn.
What, these?
Mhm. Look at what I found.
What?
Oh, here we go. Oh, dang. Yo, you're going for the big shit.
Oh.
You guys might not see that. Ah. Damn. Yo, I can't even see where they're coming barely. I'm somewhere. Yeah, we should twine a bunch of those together.
Let's do it. What's our 3 packs?
Yeah. 3 packs of these together. That will go boom, 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 boom.
For a minute. My man had a brick of 100 or 1,000. Which is one big brick.
Yo,
Shit was going off for like 10 minutes, bro.
Yo, I bet you it's like they also put all the wicks like down, so you just had to go.
Yeah, one light.
Yep.
One light. You throw it and it goes off for like 10 minutes.
Bro. At AJ's, there was huge. Their thing was huge. It was going on for like an hour. Yo, I don't even know how they got that much money. They probably like donated it to. Oh yeah, sorry guys, I made a video today, but it was boring as shit.
Ready?
Yeah.
That's a big clump right there, boy.
But I noticed that these didn't go off for like 30 seconds. I want to see if it blows it up. I want to see what happens, so just leave it on the cardboard. Oh, there was a little.
Hey!
Oh God, you still got me every time. There is a little spot here.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not gonna touch it because it could burn me.
Let's roll.
See you guys in the next one. Bye bye. Hopefully you guys liked that video. It was just a little firework video. We had a lot of fun. Yo, for a minute I thought there was someone behind me. See you guys later.